is post-blizzard 2011 cleanup. This is Jarrett's handiwork. Coming out our front door. This is the tunnel. You can kind of see we're now getting into single-digit temperatures, but you can see the snow plow has not come to our street yet, and it's after 4 o'clock. So here we have the dig out, the tunnel to the driveway. Look at that. Look at all that. It's just piled. Poor Jarrett had to dig all this out. And see his berm all the way across. And then his berm on this side. And I'm going to be careful walking down here. But you'll see where he ends is at the street. And there's another 6 to 8 inches on the road. And as you can see, the plow has not come through yet. We've got a nice blanket of about 6 to 8 inches on the road that is going to get knocked right back into the driveway. So Jarrett will get to come out here one more time to clean that up. And then we have Joe and Shirley across the street digging out theirs. Look at that. Yikes. All right.